Washington, if President Donald Trump would actually sue Steve Bannon for violating a non-disclosure agreement made with his campaign, it would be great for the freedom of speech. That may sound strange, because Trump's threatened lawsuit is precisely aimed to silence Bannon and other potential leakers who worked on the campaign. Bannon has been extensively quoted in excerpts published this week from the journalist Michael Wolff's new book, Fire and Fury, Inside the Trump White House. Lawyers for the U.S. president have accused Steve Bannon of violating a confidentiality agreement after the former White House strategist was quoted in a book making disparaging remarks about Donald Trump and his family. For more than 70 years, scientists have been puzzled by the strange behavior of a lethal strain of malaria. A procedure becoming increasingly popular in Thailand is penis whitening, the latest in a string of different forms of skin whitening. Friends of 69-year-old James Ricketson say allegations the veteran filmmaker is a spy are ludicrous and demand his release from a Cambodian prison. Students in Arkansas have used a 3D printer to create a prosthetic leg for a duck found without a foot. Macy's, JCPenney, and Sears shares fall on news of store closures and job cuts. The U.S. State Department said on Thursday it was suspending security assistance to Pakistan until Islamabad takes action against the Afghan Taliban and the Haqqani network. Within the first 3 days of 2018, many of the UK's top CIOs will earn more than what most workers will earn for the entire year. Lawyers for the U.S. president have accused Steve Bannon of violating a confidentiality agreement after the former White House strategist was quoted in a book making disparaging remarks about Donald Trump and his family. The Trump suit would almost certainly fail, and that's why it would serve free speech. Faced with an attempt to suppress speech that is so plainly of public importance and interest, a judge would have little choice but to conclude that the First Amendment disallows enforcement of an NDA made with a presidential campaign. The legal precedent created,